It's Charles Schwab, folks, who presented its balance sheet this week and came in with earnings above expectations. Pretty light, right? The expectation was 75 cents per share, and it came in at 77 cents per share. Basically, this is the expectation. What is good is that we can compare it with the company's growth. The company performed well with 4.8 billion in revenues, close to 5 billion above the previous quarter and 200 million above the previous year. We had a growth here of approximately 5.2% in revenues, which is an increase from a growth of 0.7% in the last quarter and from a decrease of 16% from the previous year. Okay, we have here the net income. Quite interesting, 1.4 billion above the quarter and also above a year ago. And we have earnings per share of 71 cents, up from 66 cents a year ago and 56 cents from the previous quarter. This day was certainly a great balance. It is a company that does not distribute many dividends, only 25 cents per share, since the stock is currently at $72. We are here with Charles Schwab, and what happened with it this quarter? You see this big bar here from July. That was basically when the results from the previous quarter came in. When we look at the financials, we see growth well below expectations, which brought about this bearish movement. It was in a nice upward trend and then made this strong correction. Now with the possibility of a new upward movement, it is not the right moment. It is not reversing this trend, but it is quite interesting. Basically, we have this movement and this correction. So when we look at what happened in the quarter, we will take from the week of July 1st to September with a decline of 12%. Quite a lot, right? It's really because of this big problem that the market sold off here after the last quarter. The main issue is that it corrected sideways and then entered a more bullish trend. Guys, we are still not in an upward trend. We are in what we call a no defined trend. Okay, so it's trending. Basically, it is not a stock worth investing in at this moment. It is a stock that is stuck here, waiting to see if the market gets excited about this new balance sheet and the significant decline it has presented. When I make this trend reversal, we will have two complicated points ahead. The first is $78, the second is $85. So we have this movement here that could disrupt the midfield. So if you are thinking about investing in Charles Schwab, I would suggest some other options, because it is not a stock that is in that aligned upward trend that we like. It is currently without a trend. Did the results come out good? It came to cover the problem caused by the previous quarter. Okay.